Hey friends, I think it's time to head to Arizona. So I've been working on getting the van ready to go on a road trip. I am going to be going to Arizona to meet up with a couple of friends, Frugal RV Gal and the Dan Van and C-Dub, and probably a few other people that I haven't met yet, but they'll be my friends when it's over with, so I'm really looking forward to that. I did a video last week asking you guys to help me with my shopping list. Man, you gave me some great ideas and some things that I can't believe I hadn't thought of before. I wanted to show you one of the things I picked up. I got this at Walmart. I think it was $30. It's $29.88 or whatever. And it has a lot of the things in it that my viewers recommended that I have. So I was real happy to find this. So it's got a blower in it. I think that'll be real handy. From what I understand, sometimes you have to let some air out of your tire when you're in the sandy conditions. And then this way I'll be able to fill it right back up. It's got a pair of gloves. It's got a flashlight. It's got some little triangles so that nobody runs into the back of me. It even has this really nice little travel blanket. It's got a tow strap and jumper cables. It even has a little first aid kit in it. I already have a pretty extensive first aid kit that my friend John gave me, but I like having this little second one too because you just never know when you'll run out of something. And I threw a tire gauge in, guys. Thanks so much for just reminding me of that. I had one in my other car and just didn't have one in my van, so I do now. But yeah, I think I'm going to really like this little case, and I hope I never have to use it. I love buying stuff that I don't want to ever use. But yeah, I am trying to get it together. I'm going to go to the RTR. I don't know how long I'm going to be there, a couple of days, maybe 3 or 4. I'm not sure yet. I've got a couple other destinations in mind. For those of you who've been following my channel for a while, you know that it's very rarely about the destination with me. It's more about the journey. So I am really looking forward to this journey. For some reason, I'm sitting in a Walmart parking lot making this video. The reason for that is there's one last thing on my shopping list, so I'm going to run in and grab that and then go back to the house and, I guess, clean my house. It's always nice to come home to a clean house. So another plan for today is I'm going to make a big old thing of lasagna. I'm going to have a couple of people over for dinner tonight, and hopefully I will have enough leftovers to take along on my road trip. I'm going to grab my oven here. Got this little oven that I can just plug into the cigarette lighter while I'm driving, and my plan is to throw some leftover lasagna wrapped up in tin foil in the oven for the last half hour or whatever before I get to my destination, and when I get there I'll have a nice hot lasagna dinner. So that's my plan anyway. I made chicken and potatoes last night. Same deal there. I'm going to put them in little aluminum foil packets and see how far that gets me down the road. Yeah, I really want to thank you guys so much for the help on the list. I also got some Fix the Flat, so many things that people recommended that I get. I had a fire extinguisher, you guys. I got a fire extinguisher for this van, and it was sitting in the garage still where I placed it after I bought it like 2 months ago. So thank you for recommending that. That was easy enough to pick it up and put it in here. Got it in a safe place over there. What else did I get that was just like amazingly, I couldn't believe I hadn't thought of that yet. Yeah, I had this all in my mind before I started this video. Now I can't remember. Anyway, again, just thanks so much, you guys. Thanks so much for all of the suggestions. That was awesome. And I wanted to let you know, Dan, I figured out how to do the door. You were right. I just wasn't holding it closed enough when I pulled the latch. Worked just like that. So thanks so much for all the tips and help. I can't believe how awesome you guys are. Oh yeah, and I wanted to thank you, Blind Views, for suggesting that I get those air filters. Not only did I get the 2 air filters for my van, but I also watched a YouTube video on how to change that cabin air filter myself. So if I need to, I can. So thanks a lot for the suggestion, my friend. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much ready to go. John was kind enough to take my air conditioner out of the back of my van. I don't think I'm going to need to plug in and use an air conditioner in the next couple of weeks, so I removed that so I have a little bit more storage for a few things. I have to bring my ski gear and a couple of presents for my daughter that came for her for Christmas, and so I'm going to put that back in the back with my, yes, 12 extra canisters of fuel. I learned my lesson, guys. Alright, so I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you will follow along on my adventures that are coming up. I don't know yet how this uploading stuff on the road is going to go. I am bringing my laptop. I do have a hotspot on my phone. hopefully I can figure this out. I don't know where I'll be staying on the way out there. I don't know where I'll be staying when I get there. No idea where I'm staying on the way back. There's a couple of things that I've researched that I think, well, hey, if I'm in that area, that's where I'll stay. So we'll see. I might find something didn't even know was there. That's always fun. Anyway, I just wanted to, update you guys, and I hope wherever you are having a fantastic weekend. Stay lost, my friends. Anyway,